Hello, and welcome to Phone Transformer. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to send contacts from Android to Android using your Google account. It is a quick and easy process to ensure you never lose your phone numbers. So now let's get started. Step 1, grab your old device and open the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Step 2, scroll down through the menu until you find the option labeled Google. Step 3, tap on the tab for all services and then select the option for Google Contacts Sync. This specific setting ensures that every name and number saved on your phone is prepared to be moved to your new device. Step 4, open the Sync status option and click the toggle or button to turn it on immediately. This step is vital because it triggers the actual uploading process, making your contacts available on Google's servers. Step 5, put down your old phone and open the Settings app on your brand new Android device. You need to access the internal configuration here to prepare the phone to receive the incoming data. Step 6, just like before, slide down the settings list and tap on the Google option. Step 7, select the button that says Manage your Google account to open your profile settings. Step 8, look for the navigation bar or list and tap on the section for people and sharing. This is where Android stores your social connections and contact preferences, making it the key location for this transfer. Step 9, select the contacts option and make sure you log in to the exact same Google account used on the old phone. Once you are signed in, your contact list will automatically appear on the new device and you are all set. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips